So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the digital food scale. So Dustin and I picked up this food scale at Target. It was around $10, so you do not need a super fancy food scale. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to put your plate or your Tupperware, if you're doing your meal prep, on your food scale. And you want to click tare. So that's going to give you all zeros. That's going to take it to 0. The next thing you would do is add protein. And I just grabbed something out of the fridge for purposes of demonstration. Whoop, I'm trying this one-handed. So let's pretend that this says 6.76 ounces. And my meal plan tells me I need 6 ounces. I would need to take away 0.76 ounces to get it exactly at 6. Now, if you're doing something like maybe you're cooking fish and you're weighing out fish, one mistake I see a lot of members make is they'll put a fillet on and the fillet might be 5.52 ounces. And they'll say, you know what, that's close enough. No, you want to take a little piece off of a second fillet to get you exactly at that 6 or whatever your plan tells you to have. Then what you would do if I need to add my veggies on is I would click tare again. And then I would just add my vegetables on. Again, I just have grabbed stuff out of my fridge. So we're going to put some tomatoes on the plate. And I would need to make sure I get this exactly to however many ounces I need for my veggies. So if my plan tells me I need 6 ounces of veggies, I would need to add 6 ounces to my plate. So it's super easy. Let us know if you guys have any questions.